Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of my AEM Interview Preparation series. I am Tushar Bhite, a technical lead and a 4x Adobe Certified expert. If you are watching this, you have probably realized that knowing the documentation is not always enough to clear a high level technical round in AEM interviews. This series is designed to change that. In this series, I am going to create a lot of videos for the AEM questions and answers. So let's be clear about what this series is and what it isn't. I am not here to read out the basic definitions to you. You can find those in the official documentations or any blogs. What I am going to provide are the interview ready exact answers, the kind that senior leads and managers, interviewers are actually expect to hear. We are going to focus on the impression factor, learning how to frame your project experience so you stand out from the crowd. We will dive into real world scenarios, focusing on what actually happens in a live project rather than just what is written in the textbook. We have all been there. You know the technology inside out, but when an interviewer asks you to explain a sling model or a complex OSJ service orally, it's easily to get lost in the clouds. I have sat through over around 30 interviews already in 2026, and I realized that blindly talking through code without a strategic structure is exactly where most of us struggle. It is not about what you know, it's about how clearly you can make the interviewer see your code through your words. So at the end of the series, I will provide a PDF of all questions and answers. So hit subscribe and stay tuned every day and get notified for every video by pressing bell icon. I have backed up that experience with 4 Adobe certifications, ranging from sites and assets developer to digital library. As you can see, this is the Adobe certification site, and these are my 4 active certifications. My technical arsenal covers the entire AEM ecosystem, from AEM as cloud services and dispatcher configurations to backend development with Sling OSGI, JCR SQL. On the front end, I am firm believer in high performance UI using Vanilla JS and HTML. No heavy third-party libraries. I have also handled complex integrations with Elasticsearch, dynamic media, and Marketo Forms. I am also very passionate about the AEM community and open source contributions. I have developed an AEM open source project with over 15 custom utilities and a collection of 100 plus Groovy scripts for bulk updates. I have even built custom site analysis tools and unique touch UI themes for my live portfolio. This hands-on builder mindset is exactly what I will be teaching you to showcase in your own interviews. Now I will walk you through one of my personal project that was the AEM portfolio in AEM Touch UI theme. So let's just see how it should looks. So once it loads, you will feel that the AEM loading screen is going on, but it is nothing but my AEM portfolio site. Once it is launched, you will see the home page menu like what we see in AEM, but it is having all my details. Like you can see about me section, which tells some things about me. Then we can switch to another section that is the professional summary. Like you will feel like it just an AEM screen. If I go to technical skills, you will see the AEM sites navigation menu. You will feel like this but it is my technical skills list. Then it's like experience section. Next is one of some of my major work. Then in the tools section we can see front end, back end integration, testing, security, etc. So this was just for learning purpose and I have created that. So next one is the 100 plus use cases of AEM Groovy scripts. So this this blog you can see and refer this for your daily Groovy script needs. Like I have covered like almost all the use cases which are used in the AEM projects, and you can go through, copy, test, run in your local environment as well as your cloud or environments also. Next open source project, which was nothing but the AEM tools which I was talking about. So this is like custom AEM projects you can deploy in your local instance, and you will get access to the 15 plus custom AEM tools. As you can see, you will get this menu like Tushar AEM tools, and these will be the tools you will get access. So these are the tools list. If you need, I can create a separate video to explain all these tools and this project. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, we are going to straight into the deep end with an AEM architecture deep dive. I will show you how to explain the AEM tech stack in a way that proves your seniority. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that, and check out my GitHub and Blogspot links in the description for my tools and portfolio. Let's get you ready for the next big role.